Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. It's me once again. Nasaan ba yung elevator? Hindi pala gumagana. The elevator is not working. So I take the stairs now, going up in this overpass. What you call this one? Overpass, a bridge, or something like that. So welcome back to my channel. It's me once again, the Wonder Rare, at your service. And this time I am going to the other side. That's why I'm taking this CCTV is on the kakaya. I'm going to the other side of this place. I'm here at the Marquia now, and yes, I'm going to the restaurant. I'll be checking which restaurant I'll be going to have a dinner tonight, because I don't have a dinner yet. So I'm planning to go here, find a restaurant. I don't know what restaurant is that. With the ano ba yan? Kung ano mang restaurant na pwede kong ma-afford ni Oka, kung saan kakain si Oka na maka-afford si Oka. Ayun, ang gulo-gulo. So I'm here now. Wow! Look at this view. I'm here alone. Hello! Nobody's home. Nobody's here. Parang tanga lang, syunga-syunga. Ayan, wow, the floor is very clean and shiny. Look at that. Sarap siguro dito. Maganda siguro dito mag-ghost hunting, no? Pag ano na, at midnight. As of now, it's 10:30 in the evening. So I just finished from work. Yes, 30 minutes ago. I'm off. My work is finished, so the elevator is not working because this one is a new bridge. Oh, tingnan natin yung steps ko, baka mahulog ako dito. Mapapahiya tayo. Pakita tayo sa CCTV. Ano ba yan? So walk like a pro tayo ngayon. Walk like a pro. Ayan, wala nakatingin, walang tao dito, ako lang mag-isa. Once again, I'm here at the overpass, or now going down, going to the other side, in which I am going to search a restaurant for me to have my dinner. Hindi naman sa social, di ba? Ano lang to, paminsan-minsan lang to. So, kung anong pasok sa budget, so kakain tayo. Why not? We deserve to eat in a restaurant. So from there to McDonald's side, taking that overpass and going down here. So I'm here now at the other side of this place. This place is Marquia, right here in Doha, Qatar. So walk lang ng walk, ang tahimik. So no need to worry, guys, because we are safe here. Even at this time, at night time, we are safe here. Nobody will making snatch or making mangilkil sa iyo or ano ba. O, diba? We are safe here. So, okay, I'm going to that side because that side have restaurants in there. So I'll be going there and checking the restaurants. Hi, vlog. Hi! Ikabayan, ewan ko kung sino yun, Filipino. Sabi niya, hi vlog. Ano na, tapos na siguro siya sa sa duty. Umuwi na siya. Social, nakaano siya, anong tawag niyan? Alam mo tawag niyan? Yung sinasakyan niya. Ignorante siya. Anong tawag dyan? Oh my God. Scooter? Like that. Something like that. Scooter. Oh, social. Para makatipid, oh yan, nag-scooter na si Kabayan, di ba? Siguro malapit na yung accommodation niya dito at sa workplace niya, kaya nag-scooter na siya kaysa, di ba, taking a bus or taking a taxi. It will take time, of course. And sa bulsa, di ba, makakatipid na rin yun kahit 2 reals or 5 reals or 10 reals, di ba, yung pamasahe. Kasi pag taxi, it will be around 10 reals, like that. Kung malapit lang sa ano mo, location mo. Or kung sa bus naman, 2 reals. Pero it takes time because mag-ikot-ikot pa yan. So, kaya maganda pag may scooter. Pag malapit lang yung bahay mo or yung accommodation mo, going to your workplace. So, diba? Kakatipid si Kuya, saka mabilis yung scooter. Oh, why not? So, ako, wala akong ganon kasi free accommodation kami saka transportation. So, now, I'm finished. The work is finished. And then I'm here now taking my opportunity or kasi nga nakakaano boring kasi after work din sa bahay. So, hindi naman sa always, paminsan-minsan lang naman kumakain sa labas, o diba? Treat yourself, guys. If you are an OFW, why not? Treat yourself. Kumain ka sa labas. Yung ano lang ha, pasok lang sa budget mo, hindi naman sa mga mamahalin na restaurant. Sakto lang sa sa bulsa, sa budget. Oh, why not? And then have some fun. Kasi nakakaboring talaga pag trabaho tapos bahay, trabaho, bahay, di ba? Minsan stop muna sa sa pagluluto. Mag-ano muna tayo. Sa labas muna tayo, di ba? Kakain. Ayan, malapit na ako. Chika pa more. As of now, here in Doha, this month, it's July 18 of 2024. So, daytime, medyo mainit siya. Mainit talaga siya. Tapos ngayon, nighttime, di siya mahangin. Hindi siya katulad sa, from the last few weeks. Oh, grabe. Ang init talaga. Pero ngayon, medyo mahangin-hangin na. Pero sa sa umaga saka sa sa tanghali, diba? Tagalog si Orca. Siya mainit talaga. Pero ngayon, parang nag-start na yung every 2 days or 3 days na yung observation. Every night medyo na siya mahangin na. Hindi siya masyadong mainit. So tolerable na mga besh. Kaya gala na. O diba? Ayan, tatawid ako mamaya pag may may sasakyan. Joke! Huwag kang tatawid pag may sasakyan. Ako, kakaloka ka. Syunga ka. Okay? Si Oka talaga. Ayan, pag wala ng sasakyan, ayan, pwede akong tatawid doon. Oh my goodness. Ala, may harang na pala dito. So, saan ako, Hala. Kasi dati walang harang dyan Oh my goodness. So pupunta ko doon, baka siya. Baka may open na Nakaharang na siya. Kasi tinitingnan ko to dito, banda, before. Wala siyang mga dyan. Ang tawag dyan? Walang mga labat. Walang labat dana. Open na siya. So karon gilabatan na gyud nila. Oh my goodness. So where will I go? How can I go to the other side? Woo! Where is that? Oh my gosh. So where will I go to the signal again? Oh, that's quite far. Oh shoot. So I'll go back there. I'll go back there. At the signal, I'm going to that side. Okay. Let's go! Kaloka. Close na pala to. Ayan may mga fence na. Naka-fence na siya. May harang na. Dati wala naman tong harang. Ay, naku, kakaloka. Nakakatakot. Natatakot ako what you call this one? Oh, ano ba yun? Nakakatakot magtawid-tawid. Kasi dati wala to Ngayon, they are putting this fence in here. Before, I see this area. Before, this one is not yet here. But now, look at this. Nakakaloka. I was expecting I can go to the other side easily, but now it's quite difficult. Hindi naman pwede akong lumipad dito or mag-lukso-lukso. Kakalog. Uy, nakakatakot. Nakakatakot talaga. Natatakot ako pag ganitong eksena yung tawid-tawid. Oh my goodness. So, hayaan mo na. Face your fears. Fears daw. Face your fears. Be fierce. Oo, diba? Ayan na. Nasasakyan ba? Pwede na siguro ako makatawid dito pag walang sasakyan. O, diba? Wait lang, wait. Wait. Okay, run, Barbie, run! Kakaloka. I'm fun. Natatakot si Oka. I'm quite afraid of, you know, yung tatawid ka kasi may sasakyan. Kakaloka. Left and right, tingin ka talaga. Huwag kang syunga-syunga self. Baka madisgrasya ka pa o maanuhan ka dyan. Ay naku, sabog ang beauty ni Oka. Kaya left and right, tingin-tingin ka. Ay, Qatar Charity is closed now. Because it's already 11:15 in the evening. There's a saloon, pharmacy, and a coffee shop. So we'll be going there that side. Makaano tayo ng mga restaurants doon. Mura lang. O diba? Doon ako kanina. Ngayon, nandito na ako. On the other side. Kasi may nakita ako dito na restaurant. Parang ano sa Arabic. O, itatry ko. O, diba? Saan ba yun? Kasi maraming kainan dito. So, we will go there and check the restaurant of... Okay. Take away. Ano ba? Taray. Saan ba dito? Ice cream. Close na. Ayan, wala na. Walang ano doon. Parang ano lang siya, snacks. Saka mga ano, sandwiches. So, hanapin ko talaga kung saan yung ano, may rice terraces. Okay. Hello, good evening. You have like chicken with rice here?
Chicken curry.
Yeah. It's Arabic. Okay. Ah, sandwiches, pizza. Ah, okay. No rice, like chicken, no? Ah, okay. Shukran. Ah, tomato. Okay, thank you. Wala. Ito try natin. Ayun. Wala. Al-Sharawi restaurant. So, try natin ito. Try natin dito mga best food. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
Good. This one is your menu, right? Oh. Ayun din yun. Saan ako dito? I can sit here. Okay. Andito ako na. Yung menu nila, may mga rice terraces saka chicken. O, diba? Dito na ako kasi doon sa kabila parang mga sandwiches lang, mga takeaway, pizza, ganon. Tapos mga shakes na. Dito talaga is pagkain. So, pipili tayo sa menu nila dito. We will their menu. The recipes in here. So, of course, for dinner, kailangan heavy talaga. O, diba? May mga ano din sila. Shawarma. Ayan. Chicken. Ang daming choices. Ang daming pagpipilian dito. Ano ba dito? Normal. Hanapin ko yung chicken. Yung mga sandwiches sila. Falafel with potato and eggplant. 5 quesadillas. Sandwiches are affordable from 4 reals to 7 reals prices. And here for the medyo social na sandwiches. Ayan, may burger sila, egg burger 6. Here yung sandwiches sila. Saan ba dito yung chicken? Breakfast dishes, 16 reals. Ano siya? Package na. So, saan ba dito? Chicken. Ito. Yun na, half-grilled chicken, 15 reals. Whole-grilled chicken is 30. May shawarma din sila, pizza, and pies, and drinks, water. So, itong orderin ko, half-grilled chicken na. Okay. Excuse me. I want to order this half-grilled chicken. Half-grilled chicken. For here. Yeah. And then 1 bottled water. 1 bottled water. Bottled water. Okay, syukran. Surrounding parang sa atin lang din, parang karinderya lang din. Pero ano siya, mostly Arabic, yung nila, recipe. So there you have it. I order half-grilled chicken. Parang ano to, with na siya, without rice. Parang bread lang siya. So yes. And 1 bottled water. Nagugutom na si Ok. Hindi ko kasi mabasa yung nila, kasi Arabic yung pagkasulat ng restaurant. Mamaya, kapakita ko yung sa labas ko yung pangalan. Dito lang sa Marquia. Malapit sa the other side of McDonald's. Then we take the overpass and go in. Iba-iba naman tayo, diba? It's a new kind of experience. It's a new restaurant. It's a new food. But actually, kadalasan sa mga in-order ko sa mga restaurant is chicken, talaga grilled chicken. Kasi siya, affordable. Tapos, sapat lang din sa akin. It's enough for you. The half-grilled chicken. O, diba? Yun lang ang budget ni Oka. Pasok sa budget ni Oka. So, why not? Diba? Yun ang importante pag bet mo, tsaka pasok sa budget. O, why not? Go for it. Na-fun for it. So, we will wait until we order the serve at my table for the specials. Wala masyadong customer or siguro kanina at dinner time we have a lot of customers. Now it's already 11 o'clock in the evening, so it's quiet. That's their condiments. May toothpicks si Mayor. May toothpicks pa. Black pepper. Ano to? Ano yan? Red chili powder. Of course. Hot sauce. The Tabasco. Tabasco na siya. Hot sauce lang. Hindi siya Tabasco. Ano ba? Ang tagal. Saan yung order ko? Oops! Huwag magmaldi ka sa order mo. Dapat matuto kang mag-wait sa order. Huwag kang mag-follow up. Not unless kung talaga isang oras na hindi pa dumating yung order mo. Oh my goodness. Yun talaga talaga ako magreklamo. Talaga ako magwala. Wala talaga. Okay lang yan. Just wait. Patience is a virtue. O, diba? Tama ba yung kasabihan na sinasabi ko? Patience is a virtue. Virtue is the patience. Ay, naku, nakakalot. I'm just trying to uplift myself. Huwag yung seryosohin yung mga problema sa buhay. Go outside, eat, you know. Huwag kakain ng kung ano-ano. Dapat pasok sa budget mo at affordable at saka. Yeah, I already ordered. Thank you. Pipiliin mo yung kakainin mo. Saka dapat pasok sa budget mo, di ba? Wala pa. Hi. And one bottled water. One bottled water. Okay, thank you. The garlic sauce and a hot chicken. Thank you. And the bread. Yeah. The bread is hot. I like it. The garlic sauce and the half grilled chicken with. Thank you. Bottled water. One is some carrots and onions and french fries. So, ayan na, worth 15 quaternions, right? So, busog na si Oka. Looks yummy. Wow. For only 15 quaternions and one bottled water is 1 real. So, I will pay later on 16 quaternions without dessert, only this one. So, let's dig in. Lapag na tayo mga guys. Excited na ako kasi nagugutom na ako. Let's dig in. Water first. Let's dig in. Nasa garlic sauce. Sarap. Gamitan natin ng bread. Juicy. Sarap. Sarap ang chicken lang. The chicken is juicy and the taste is good. Perfect. Sarap. I don't like the burn, the sunog. Pero dahil kain tayo. Pero the serving is too much for me. But since I am hungry, nagugutom si Oka, mauubos ko ito. Definitely, mauubos ko talaga ito. Uubusin ko ito. Kasi gutom si Oka. Sarap. Pag mag-diet ka, wag to. Masyado na to. Ito malaki. Malaki mo ha. Half grilled chicken. How much mo pag ano? Whole. Yung whole kasi is 30. Eh, times 2 ng size nito. Laki. Whole talaga. Hello. Hindi ko yung maubos. So ito is enough talaga for me. This serving is enough for me. Diba? Hindi naman talaga ako ganun patay gutom. Walang ganun. Sarap. Brother. Ang pawala naman. Oh my. Ubusin ko talaga po. Ubusin ko talaga dahil. Mga best, mga dahil. Ubusin ko talaga to. I'll finish this one. Because taste is good. Delicious. It's good. Dapat i-feel mo sa rainbow. I-feel mo yung lasa. I-feel mo yung sarap ng pagkain. Ano ba niluluto mong kuya? Ba't ang... Ano mo? po siya spicy. Normal yung ano, wala siyang wala siyang wala siyang halang. Hindi siya halang maray. Parang masyadong sunog. Maraming sunog na part. Especially sa skin. Raw talks lang. Kasi masarap talaga yung ano niya lasa. The taste is delicious and good. But this burn part, I will not eat. Only the flesh, the meat. Sarap. Alisin ko muna itong anong sunog sa balat. I will remove this burn skin of the chicken because I don't want to eat this burn side. So it's too much. Wow. Okay na. Wala nang ano, sunog-sunog. Sarap. This part ulit, ito na yung huling ano. Malaki pa rin. Dapat ubusin ko talaga to. Oh, diba? Inuusok ka. Ba't ko dito yung ano bread sa garlic sauce tapos yung chicken. Sarap. Parang busog na ako mga day. Dami pa. Konti na lang mga dahay. I still have one more bread left and this one. This chicken. I promise I will finish them all because I am hungry. But to be honest, I'm already full. Busog na po ako. Kaya lang, dapat ubusin. Diba? Sayang ba? Masarap. Diba? Dapat ubusin. Huwag sayang. Maraming mga taong walang makain. Kaya, be thankful. Diba? Ubus na yung garlic sauce ko. Ay, parang humingi. Kasi, maliit din naman yung tira. Kunti na lang pala. Sorry. Kunti na lang yung chicken nila. Enough na. Parang busy yung kitchen mga guys. Kasi parang nag-ano na sila. Sigawan sila. Commented yan pero parang nasigawan sila. Siguro sa order. Busy. Naging busy sila dahil mga guys. Mga guys. Pasok ko. Sumusunod yung mga customer. Ano bang energy na meron ako? Ang dami yung customer. Promise. Kasi kanina, 2 tao lang yun. Wala masyadong customer. Diba sabi ko sa later 5. But now, ito na sa kabilang kwarto. Ayan, maingay. Marami sila. Pero lalaki. Actually, this area is for group or for family. Yung mga dalawahan lang or isa, doon sa labas ay ayaw ko kasi nahiya ako mag-vlog. So, sabi ko, dito muna ako kasi gusto ko mag-vlog. Gusto ko yung hindi ako na-intimidate at maihiya. Alas. Talaga maubos. Pero yung chicken na ubos ko mga guys. Yung bread. Ito pa. Isa pa. Saka yung french fries. Hindi ako makilig sa french fries. Kunti lang kinain ko. Pawala ng umay. Appetizer. Radish. I think this one's radish. Yeah, yan. Naubos ko yung chicken. I did it. I finished the chicken. But the bread, I only have 1 left. Out of 4, 1 left. 3 kalas. Diba? Hindi gutom si Oka. Meron din french fries. Yung chicken ay quite good. It's delicious. It's juicy. One thing that I don't like about the chicken is the burn side of the skin. So this one is normal, right? So I remove all the burnt side of the skin of the chicken. So I only eat the flesh, the meat really. It's good, it's juicy, it's delicious. Right here at this restaurant, you cannot memorize it's Arabic, but it has English name outside. Later on I will show you. So that you will know right here in Marquee. Yeah, yan na. Gusto si Oka. Mag-wash mo na po. Kaya yan. Ubos ang chicken. Finish. But the bread, only have one left. I cannot finish the bread, only the chicken. And the burnt side, I removed the burnt skin. And the French fries. Sorry for the tissue. Okay. I'm full. I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied of the half-grilled chicken. Grilled na grilled talaga siya kasi maraming sunog sa balat ng chicken. But it's okay. I like the taste. It's juicy and it's delicious. The chicken is delicious. Aside from this one. One thing I don't like is the burnt side. So it's okay. And of course, it's worth because it has 4 breads. I'm very full, to tell you frankly. Busog na busog si Oka. So it's worth it. The 15 tutorials in 1 bottled water for 1 real. So it would be 16 tutorials, a total of 16 tutorials. I mean, a total of 16 tutorials for my bill. Diba? Kaya lang. Diba? Treat yourself. Paminsan-minsan, diba? Okay. So right here, so there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my video right here in this Arabic restaurant. It's very affordable and pasok sa budget. It's a half-grilled chicken with 4 bread with garlic sauce and some French fries and onions and some salads or the appetizer. So it's worth it. Approved. You have it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on my next video. Bye-bye. Oh, wait. Sing kasabihan sa amin na pag first time mo kumakain sa isang restaurant or sa amin cafeteria or sa kainan, pag first time mo daw, tapos dapat daw uubusin mo lahat na yung pagkain. Dapat maubos na yung pagkain kasi pag hindi mo daw maubos, ang tendency daw is balik ka lang balik doon sa restaurant mo yun. Kaya this time is my first time in here. This time ko dito, hindi ko naubos my bread, my French fries. Hindi ko siya naubos lahat. I don't finish it all, so maybe I will be coming back here. I don't know. That's what he said. There's a saying that if you cannot finish all the food, if it's your first time, there's a tendency that you'll be coming back again to eat in this restaurant. I don't know if this is true. We will see. Comment down below. Mag-comment kayo kung totoo ba yung kasabihan na yun or ewan ko kung sa amin lang ba or kasi yun na naririnig ko may mga ganon na anong kasabihan. Pag first time mo sa isang kainan o restaurant, pwede mo maubos yung pagkain, may tendency na balik ka ng balik doon. So, ano ibig sabihin dito? Balik na balik ako dito kasi first is affordable siya. Masarap yung chicken nila, o diba? Maybe. We will see. Balitaan ko lang kayo next time. Okay. Bye. Thank you so much. Shukran. Shukran, shukran. Ayan, once again, the name of this restaurant, yung kinakainan ko is Al-Sharawi Restaurant. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. The name is Al-Brawi Restaurant, Shabrawi Restaurant. Comment down below how to pronounce this correctly. Aywa. Okay, thank you. Going back now to the accommodation. Going back now to the accommodation. Maglakad-lakad na naman si Oka. Diba? Para ma-digest yung food na kinakain. Thank you.